This is the hotel room for Hotel D Capital. I actually booked a deluxe single room with shower, and it cost me $58 no, $59 for 2 nights, and it includes breakfast. So you can see there's a fridge over here, some tea, and when I check in, they actually give me a complimentary meal, which is just fruits and this thing over here. Not really sure what is this. I think it's a salad or something. And there's actually enough to sleep 3 person over here. Yeah, and that's the TV. Maybe you can sleep 4 person because there's a couch over here. And here's the toilet. Of course, you have your bathroom necessity, the shower. It's really a big room for 1 person. And let's see if there's any view. Okay, this is actually the second floor. So here, this is the room tour.